Hi everyone! Today I'm going to make an easy and simple pancakes recipe. They're perfect for fall season and to make with healthy ingredients like oats, pumpkin and semolina. So add in a bowl 1 cup of rolled oats, 1 cup of semolina, 1 cup of buttermilk and ½ cup of pumpkin puree. Stir well. Let it rest for about 20 minutes. Then add 1 tablespoon of melted unsalted butter, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, ½ teaspoon of ground cinnamon, add some vanilla. I used 2 teaspoons of vanilla sugar. Stir all ingredients together. Let it rest again for about 5 minutes. Then preheat a pan, add a little bit of oil, add 1/4 cup of pancake mixture and cook over medium heat for about 2 minutes on its side until golden brown color. This recipe makes 9 large pancakes. You can make these pancakes for breakfast. They're looking good, smell so good and so delicious. I hope you like this recipe.